Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is the original head of the T60 and this is the after lift kit install. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you the unboxing and installing rear and front the lift kit and front spacer that I got from eBay. As you can see, this is the box. It's quite cheaply packaged here, and okay. So the front spacer itself, as you can see, it's quite nice. It's been painted good and it's glossy, but yeah, it has 3 bolts to mount that, and the bolt itself, although I find the bolt itself is quite cheap, and yeah. And this is the rear one, the rear shackles itself. So as you can see, there's a few chips of the paint itself. So yeah, as you can expect that this is a cheap kit from eBay. So let's check up the car. First, remove the bolts that holding the leaf springs, and installing the shackles. This is the photo after the install. So this is the first test run that I managed to get a footage of them. As you can see in the video, that the rear shackles didn't move quite much, only the leaf springs. However, I found it good on not good, but better than the original for cornering, and your body roll is not as much as before. It's like reduced a little bit of body roll, you can say. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Please leave the comment in the bottom.